So let's say we've just created a new Ingress object, but we want to know if it's healthy, or maybe it's not responding the way we expect it to, right? So we've got, let's take a look at our Ingress objects. You can see I've got a few in here. The one I'm interested in is vote.sandbox.runwen.com. Now, if I go back to my web browser and check, look, it's not working, but I don't really know why. So I was already in my online boutique namespace. So I'm going to type that in here just to set some context, and then I'm going to type in Ingress to find a troubleshooting command that can help. So here's one called fetch ingress object health in the namespace. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. And what this is going to do is look at every ingress object in the namespace, match it up with a backend service, and then figure out if there's any actual pods servicing those workloads. And here you can see it's unhealthy and there are no pods. So what exactly was that command doing? Well, first we generated a full list of the ingress objects. We went through each one of those ingresses. So for each one, we inspected the backend configuration and tried to find the backend service name and the backend port. Once we had a list of backend service names and ports, we actually go through each one of those and validate, does the service actually exist? If it doesn't exist at all, then we say that it's unhealthy. If it does exist, then we go ahead and look at any endpoints that should match that service. If there, again, are no endpoints beyond that service, which are pods, then, or network addresses of pods, then we again say it's unhealthy. But if we do find a pod that is behind that particular service, then we call it healthy. And then we print the results of the ingress name, the health status, which pods were involved in that ingress, and which services are involved. And that's it. That's a one-line command to help check if an ingress has all the necessary resources to actually serve the application.